I think I need some fender flares, so RokBlokz hook me up.
I got my fender flares.
Yeah, he's got his. His face is fine. My face, I cannot feel. Alright, we didn't record it, but the ProR's got RokBlokz fender flares on it now. And Dad custom cut these to go around the factory UTV rockers, and they've got little quick thumb screws on them so you can take those off easy. So there's the front, and then here's the rear. So the rear is less extreme than I thought it was going to be because it kind of follows the body line and it really comes out there, but look at the coverage now. There's actually a fender above the tire. So that's good. And it looks pretty good. Since it's black, it matches everything. I think it looks good. We're taking the ProR out again. That was a mouthful. Taking the ProR out again. Anyways, I got the window pretty much cleaned. Don't look down here. Look more in that area where it's clean. Don't look down there, right there in the middle. It's clean in the area that you look through it, not the whole thing, because it's obnoxious cleaning things. Anywho, we're gonna go play in the snow. So we're gonna get rid of these and we're gonna put those on. So that's what we're doing before we hit the trail. So let's do that. All right? All right. We're not doing the full-on changing the decking right now, but we are gonna put a new jack on there because this jack stripped out. See how it doesn't move? That's annoying. So I ordered a new one off Amazon. It was like $36. So it should be quality. And you gotta assemble it. But it is a 2,000 pound capacity instead of a 1,000 pound capacity. So maybe it'll last longer. I don't know. Here it is. We're gonna unbolt and then bolt and then, but that's what we're doing on the trailer right now. We're just trying to get ready for our snow bashing trip on Saturday, okay? So look at the RZR's got the snow tires on it, just did that. It's making weird noises because the suspension's trying to settle. Of course it's being quiet right now because I'm trying to show you. But anyways, I'm gonna get to doing the, I'm gonna get to jacking it. I'm gonna get to operating the jack. It's mounted. Look at 2,000 pound capacity. It's a TYT, Top Your Target. It's kind of an interesting name for a company, but the logo's pretty neat. I mean, look at them letters right there. Hot dog. All right, let's try jacking it. And it actually moves. That's out of this world. All right, we got to go all the way down so that we can take it off of the floor jack, and then we'll know that it's good. And then we could probably just be done for tonight because I'm feeling like I want to be done. You know, I just want to go inside. The RZRs are loaded up and we're on our way to Idaho Springs, and it looks questionable. Look at those mountains. Woo-wee! Anyways, we're on our way. You want to know what the least amount of fun you can have with your pants on is? Sitting in traffic. It's not fun. Not fun at all. mud tires on it in the snow. It just goes. So we're waiting for these guys right now. They hit some temperature, the high temperature cutout, so they're running in limp mode. They're limping like a pimp, you know.
Hey Zach, try not to get me wet, okay? I don't want no snow thrown in here.
No promises. I always make the girls wet.
Oh God. What
He didn't get you wet at all, though. He's making promises that he can't keep. Oh, see, I make him wet.
Honey, I got all wet. There you go. This is where you need to be. Good job, honey. Oh shit.
Why did you go into that?
Oh, I didn't want to go on the low side.
Oh, you might go. Keep going. Go back.
He's getting hammered with snow inside there.
Now try to crank it that way.
High center now.
Go forward. I might have to pull you out, but you might get it.
No, he's in there, honey.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Tell Zach. Zach attack.
You made it 3 feet.
Oh, I should have did it one more time. I thought it was gonna go. I'm stuck.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi.
Oh, is my face frozen again?
Is your what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure it looks fantastic. That's Kermie? Kermie the Razor? You plowed like a foot of snow down. This is attempt number 3 to make it through that. We got to go that way. Over there. Oh, yeah, that way. Nailed it. This is the kind of snow we're dealing with. It doesn't pack, it's just like frozen tiny pieces of ice. Look at that beauty. Whoa, almost fell over. Like 40 feet up there is where we made it to, and I ran at it like 23 and a half times, and we're gonna turn around and hit the other fork down there. So hopefully I can get out of there because it's like thigh deep right here.
Alright, I'm out of the way. Did it.
It'll be fun going down.
Zach's gotta get out of that.
I think Zach will get out.
He will.
Maybe.
He's up there. He's hiding somewhere. Oh, there he is. This thing's doing pretty good. I seen 208 and 189 or 214 apparently. I think that's when I was getting on it and then I stopped. But the highest I seen that when I was on it moving is 189. So the belt's working good. I need to adjust the flyweight still because I only ever see like 7,200 RPM. So aftermarket assassins told me what to do. I just got to do it. I wanted to go play instead of work on it again, you know? Cleaning the windshield. See him in there. These windshield problems, you know, they get dirty, you gotta clean them. We all three made it. It's pretty gnarly through there. Let me unhook you and we'll see if you can pull further forward and we can turn around.
I think you can right.
This is Operation Turn the Razor Around. He's getting after it. Did you bury it? We went out on a rip. Back at the gas station. I don't know what the frick is going on, but my head is killing me right now. I'll fill everything up, try and get something to eat. Might stop at the gas station and blast this thing off, or at the car wash and blast this thing off. See, I told you, my head's hurt. That's it for this video.